Are weight loss medications safe? Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about weight loss medications and their safety. So, let's dive right in and find out if these medications are worth the risk or if they contain any harmful ingredients. First up, we have Contrave. This medication has been around for quite some time, but it was recently taken off the market because of some concerning side effects. Next up is Belvic. This medication was also taken off the market after studies showed that it could potentially lead to cancer in some individuals with specific gene mutations. Not the best news, right? Lastly, we have Saxenda. This medication is essentially just a smaller dose of another weight loss medication called Amitra. However, Amitra was taken off the market due to an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes. So, is it safe? Well, the FDA hasn't warned about these side effects for Saxenda yet, but considering that it's just a smaller dose of Amitra, I personally wouldn't take the risk. In conclusion, it seems that many of these weight loss medications may not be as safe as we'd hope or be advertised to be. It's essential to take care of our bodies and make informed decisions, and considering these medications for weight loss. Thank you so much for joining me in this discussion. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about health and wellness topics, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, everyone.